In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Dhgate. Whether you're a first-time user or someone looking to sharpen their online shopping skills, this guide will help you navigate Dhgate with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Dhgate account. If you don't have one, take a moment to create an account by following the prompts on their website. Once you're logged in, you can begin your shopping journey. Start by using the search bar to find specific items you're interested in, such as shoes, electronics, or any particular product category. This search bar is your gateway to exploring a wide range of products Dhgate has to offer. To refine your search results and make your shopping experience more efficient, use the available filters. You can filter results by several parameters, starting with the price range. Decide how much you're willing to spend and adjust the price slider accordingly. This will help you narrow down your options and focus on products that fit your budget. Another helpful filter option is selecting free shipping. Checking this box will show you only those items where no shipping fee is charged, potentially saving you some extra cash. It's always a good idea to take advantage of such cost-saving opportunities. Seller ratings are also crucial when shopping on Dhgate. Look for sellers with positive feedback of 95% or higher. This indicates that previous buyers have had satisfactory experiences, which means you're more likely to receive quality products and reliable service. Once you've found an item that interests you, click on it to get more details. Here you can view product descriptions, additional images, and user reviews, which can be instrumental in making your decision. At this right size, color, and quantity if applicable. Take your time to ensure these options are correct to avoid any issues later. With your selections made, you have two choices. You can either add the item to your cart if you wish to continue shopping, or you can click Buy Now to proceed directly to the checkout if you're ready to finalize your purchase. If you chose to add products to your cart, navigate to your cart when you're ready and click on the checkout option. If you haven't entered your shipping details yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Accurate shipping information is crucial for your order's timely and correct delivery. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Dhgate offers several options, including credit cards and digital payment methods like GPay. Simply select the one you're most comfortable with and complete your payment details. Finally, click on Place Order. This will confirm your purchase and send your request to the seller. All that's left to do is wait for your exciting Dhgate order to arrive and enjoy your new products when they do. And there you have it, a straightforward way to shop on Dhgate. By following these steps, you can enhance your online shopping experience, making it more enjoyable and stress-free. Happy shopping!